I got cut off there. I stopped my video on accident, but what I was saying is this is what you'll be getting if you purchase the package on my website after I get it listed. Should be up in the next day or two. So, well, minus the motor. That will be for purchase separate. So, let's toss a belt on there as a and the belts are definitely bigger, man. You're used to those 2x72s. It's like previous videos, I'm running around by hand just a sec to give it a, make sure it's on there good. There, you got it running towards you. You can hear it kind of vibrating around. It's this wooden table that I've got it sitting on. Kind of goes into a harmonic. Now I'll kick it in reverse. Let me start kind of slow. Make sure you're tracking the way you want. And as I've mentioned before in videos, when doing the tracking in reverse, it's opposite of what you think, because when it's coming towards you, you track it one way. When it's going away from you, you have to go backwards from what you're used to. So in my mind, it always takes me a second to get a grasp on that, but I always get there in the end. This takes me a sec. So once you got it going, make sure it's good, and you can crank her up. Yeah. There you have it. All right, that's about all for today. I think. I guess I could swap this back over real quick. I'll show you how easy that is now. So you just make sure I'm in camera here. Undo your handle, rotate it around, slide it on in, line up your slot. This has got those quick adjust handles down there. You tighten your down, tighten it down on the side, and then you can raise or lower it from there, tilt it. Yeah, there you have it. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and thank you for your business. And if you're interested in one of these, go to toruscnc.com and check it out. Instagram on there somewhat. If I don't get back to you right away on there, sometimes I mess up how to use those things, and go into the messages and they get hidden somehow, or they're in some different category, and then I find them weeks later. So if I've gotten back to you and it's been late through Instagram or Facebook, one of those two, sometimes I'm not the greatest at seeing when I have messages on there. So through the website is the best for me. That always flags me and gives me a good email. So yep, thanks again, everybody. Take care, and I'll talk to you later.